Hello, welcome to another Tasty Finds video with...
Oh, we're not thinking of the thumbnail anymore. Tankmanjoe.
Oh my gosh, okay, Tankmanjoe. Anyway, welcome to another dynamic do-it-yourself video.
With me, the great Tankman, everyone's favorite.
Everyone's favorite, yes. So, it's been a while. I hope you've been doing okay. And we're going to do a Tasty Finds.
Yes.
From something we found at Trader Joe's.
Yes.
Do you want to tell them what it is?
Sure, this is the Hula Crunch popcorn and rice crackers mix.
When I saw this, I thought, ew.
I saw it and I thought, this is going to be good. And it's that thumbnail you saw, I was like, yeah! Because it's going to be good.
I have hopes. I have hopes, okay? Usually I'm the more adventurous one, and this one is a little bit more picky, but we're going to see how this one turns out.
Yes.
All right, so Trader Joe's Hula Crunch popcorn and rice cracker mix, a Hawaiian-inspired snack with seasoned popcorn and crunchy rice crackers. I feel like we're doing a TikTok where I'm doing all the talking and you're just...
Oh yeah, you know, those reaction TikToks we all love, where someone's talking about information, someone's on the side like, yeah, that's good. They're doing nothing. They're doing nothing. It's the worst content.
Oh, but it's easy content anyway.
That's the problem.
Anyway, there's nutrition facts here. There are 150 calories. You know, push pause and you could take a look at what's on here as far as nutritional facts. 7 grams of total fat, and there's no protein. Oh, wait a minute, there's 2 grams of protein. You always want to know what the protein content is. I do not know why, but hey.
It's important. Everyone needs to know.
It says, say aloha to your favorite new snack.
Yeah.
Our Hula Cruncha popcorn and rice cracker mix is an addictive blend of savory popcorn and crunchy rice crackers, seasoned with tamari soy sauce, vinegar powder, and spices, then dusted with nori. The popcorn has an umami-like flavor, while the rice crackers add nuttiness and added texture. It's like pure paradise. Hawaii is beautiful. That's all I'm going to say. Anyway, let's have a taste. You ready? A serving size is 1 1/3 cup. So 4.5 servings per container.
Yes.
I have a feeling that my serving size is going to be much smaller than that, but let's see. Look here.
Okay.
Have some.
Yeah.
Show the audience, whoa, what it looks like.
It just looks like popcorn. That's all I can say. Can you see that? Yeah. Popcorn.
It has little black specks on it, like pepper.
Oh my! All right. I'm like,
smelling it. Smells good. Hey, we didn't say we're gonna start. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's get started. Are you all right?
yo, that's the worst stuff I've tasted all year.
Wait a minute, you're making...
No. All right. From 1 to 4. 1 meaning it's horrible, you'll never pick it up again. You won't even look at it when you go to the store. 4 meaning, yeah, it's good. I like horrible stuff.
What?
For a scale of 1 to 4, it's enslaving giving this a 1. Oh.
Why?
Oh, that's okay. If you're getting popcorn, don't season it, please. The best you can do is salt and sugar.
There's a whole industry dedicated to
cheese popcorn. Okay, I'll let that slide. Anything else? Get out! Get out! This is horrible. I'm giving it a 0.
No, you gotta give it 1 to 4.
Okay, a 1 then.
He looks really disgusted. Oh my gosh.
This is so garbage. I'm going to eat an orange.
No.
Don't mind if I do.
No, okay, look. We have to be fair. We didn't try everything. There is a rice cracker.
Oh wait, I forgot this is the rice cracker.
There's a rice cracker.
Oh.
Wait. Put the orange down, son. Here's a rice cracker.
Okay.
You can't give a review until you try everything.
That's
and it
true.
looks like the rice crackers have fallen to the bottom of the bag.
That's why I'm not good.
Okay, here's my rice cracker.
Well, let's try this.
Look at that. Almost look like
Mine's kinda
popcorn.
broken.
Okay, here we go. Ooh, hear that crunch? There's gonna become one of them ASMR videos. All right, now give your review.
Still a 1. If you just go buy some rice crackers. There's no point getting this. Just go to the store, pass this up, don't even look at it, and get some rice crackers. The rice cracker was actually good though.
I guess we won't get Trader Joe's as a sponsor.
No sponsor.
Oh jeez. Okay. Now it's time for me. Okay, 1, yeah, he already explained it, so I'm gonna give this. The rice crackers, delicious. The popcorn, it's delicious.
Huh.
I like savory stuff. I like savory popcorn. I do. I have some popcorn upstairs right now. Well, it's not upstairs. In the cabinet, I meant. And I have popcorn over here in the cabinet. And it is like a savory blend I picked up at another store, not Trader Joe's. And I'm like the only person in this household who enjoys it.
Because it's horrible. It's making me die right now.
Oh, no,
That's
no,
how
no,
bad
no,
it
no,
is.
no. Okay, so.
The only room that I eat to garbage is a nice peeled orange.
Orange is healthy for you. So he gives it a 1. I personally give this maybe not a 4. I'm not going to run out and get it, but I'll definitely give this a 3. If this happens to just fall into my basket, I will not be upset. I will be like, oh, cool.
Nah, I'd be super angry. I'd be like, get this out of here. I don't want it. Keep your garbage.
I could taste the soy sauce. I can taste vinegar. And there's that hint of garlic in there. And I can't really tell you what an umami flavor is, but if it's what's going on in my mouth right now, I'm all about it. So, okay, you know what? He's gone on now. He's looking at oranges. Okay, so there we go. The DIY Diva says this is a 3 to 4. I will get this again.
And the Great Tank says it's a 1. I would give it less, but I can't.
Nah. Oh, anyway, anyway, let's wrap this up. Cut it out. Anyway, this was another review. Trader Joe's Hula Crunch. And if you have tried it, please put it down below your comments. What do you think? Do you side with Tank and think this is a definite 1? Or do you side with me, the more sophisticated taste buds, and say, yeah, she's on it?
Debatable.
Debatable? Oh my gosh. All right. So anyway, until next time, good people,